Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to AAA Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to install Java on Ubuntu step by step. Java is one of the most popular programming languages used for everything from web applications to Android development. If you are setting up Java for the first time, don't worry. I will make this easy and fun. Let's get started. To check Java is already installed or not, type the command. If Java is installed, you will see the version number. If not, you will see command Java not found, which means we need to install it. To install the Java, first we have to update the package list. Now we install Java. To verify the installation of the Java, you should see an output look like this. Now we setting up the Java home environment variable. To find the Java installation path, copy the path shown in the output. Now open the environment file. Add the line Java home is equal to and paste the path there. Press Ctrl X, then Y. Press enter. To apply the changes, type source. To verify the Java home is set, you should see the Java path printed. And that's it. You have successfully installed Java on your Ubuntu machine. Whether you are a developer, student, or just experimenting, you are now ready to start coding in Java. If this video helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Triple Tech, comment below if you have any questions. I will see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.